Hello everyone, welcome to Career Training Solutions. We are at session 1 of calendars, and in this session I will show you the trick to find day of a given date in less than 10 seconds. Now, to find day of the given date in less than 10 seconds, we have to keep three things in mind. First one is month code, second one day code, and third one century code as shown in the picture. For month code, we totally have 12 months. For every month we have a code. For January it's 0, for February it's 3, for March it's 3 as shown in the table. See, you can keep these values in mind like a phone number. See, I kept these values in mind like a phone number like this: 033 614 625 and 035. So I kept it like a phone number. So where 0 for January, 3 for February, 3 for March. So in this way, for 12 months we have a number. And next one is day code. So day code is really simple. Starting from Sunday to Saturday, we have 7 days. You have to start Sunday with 0. So which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So day code is really simple. And next one is century code. See, for century code we have a structure. See, if it is from 1900 to 1999, so it's a complete century, right? So we have to keep this century as 0. Now 6420 6420. So this is the actual structure. So the structure cycle flows like this: 6420 6420 6420. So if you keep this 0 for 1900 to 1999, you can easily come up with the century code. So by keeping all these things in mind, we try to solve the problems. Now we have our first question: what was the day of the week on 19th June 1987? See, finding day of a given date in less than 10 seconds is a 5-step process. So first one is you have to take the last 2 digits of the year. So you have the year 1987. So last 2 digits of the year is 87. So write 87. And next you have to find the quotient. And this year is obviously a non-leap year. It is a normal year. So normal year totally have 365 days. Leap year have 366 days. Now how can you check whether a year is leap year or not? So you have to check the last 2 digits, right? So if it is 1987, you don't need to divide the complete 1987 by 4, because you can check whether a number is divisible by 4 or not by checking last 2 digits itself. So if you check the last 2 digits, it is not divisible by 4. So this is not a leap year. So if you take the year 2020, so it is divisible by 4. Last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. So in 1987, it is not a leap year. Now for 1987, you have to divide the last 2 digits 87 by 4. So 2 times 8 and again 1 time 4. Remainder you get 3. So you don't need to worry about remainder, just take the quotient. So quotient is 21. So write the 21 here. So first what we are doing, we have to take the last 2 digit and you have to divide the last 2 digits by 4 and you have to write the quotient. And next, century code. So century code is really simple. So from 1900 to 1999, the century code is 0. And month code of June is 033614. So month code of June is 4. So day code is, you have to write the day as it is. So it is not actually day code, it's day. Now you have to submit 87 plus 21 plus 00 plus 04 plus 19, you get 131. So you have to find the day, right? So you totally have 7 days. So divide this 131 by 7. So when you divide 131 by 7, it's 1 time you get 7. So 61, 8 times 56. Now you have to look on the remainder. So remainder is 5. So if remainder is 5, we know starting from Sunday to Saturday it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The code of 5 is, the day of 5 is Friday. So answer for this question is Friday. So the day of week on 19th June 1987 is Friday. See, for quotient, while you dividing the last 2 digit by 4, you have to take the quotient. But for the answer, you have to divide the number by 7, where you have to look at the remainder. So we try to solve the similar type of problem. What was the day of the week on 14th October 1990? So you have to take the last 2 digits. So last 2 digits of 1990 is 90. And next, quotient. So you have to divide this 90 by 4. So while dividing 90 by 4, we get 2 times 8 and again 10, again 2 times 8, you get the remainder 2. You don't need to worry about 2. You have to take only quotient, right? So it's 22. Now you have to write the century code. October month is 0, 1990 to 1999. So century code is 0. So month code is October. For October also it is 0. Day is 14. So when you sum it, you totally get 90 plus 22 plus 00 plus 00 plus 14, you get 126. So you have to divide this 126 by 7. So when you divide it by 7, it's 1 times 7, you remainder 5, 56, 8 times 56, you get remainder 0. So if the remainder is 0, it's obviously Sunday. Now, if you look at the previous question and this question, both the questions, the years are non-leap year, right? So, in both the question, the year is non-leap year. Now, we are going to look at the example of leap year. What was the day of the week on 4th February 2020? See, for leap year, we have a different structure. So, it's not a big change. You have to look at the last step only. So, you have to focus only on last step. It's really simple. See, in leap year, apart from January and February, the process for all other remaining months is same, right? Starting from March to December, the process is similar to non-leap year. But if it is January and February, we have to keep one thing in mind. So, last 2 digits of the year is 20. So, I will show you what you have to keep in mind. So, here last 2 digits of the year is 20. So, you have to divide this 20 by 4. So, when you divide this 20 by 4, you get the quotient 5. And century code of 2020 is 06. From 2000 to 2019 it's 6. And month code of February is 03. And day code is 04. Day is 04. So, when you sum it, you totally get 38. Now, you have to divide this 38 by 7, right? So, 38 by 7. 7 into 5, 35. Remainder you get 3. So, if remainder is 3, we know the answer is Wednesday. But answer for this question is not Wednesday. It is one day before Tuesday. So, what we have to keep in mind is whenever you get a date in January or February at leap year, see only in leap year, you have to take one day before. If you get March 1, 2020, you don't need to worry. But if you get February 29, 2020, you have to take one day before. Starting from January 1 to February 29, only for leap year, you have to take one day before. In normal year, you can proceed the process as it is. Hope you understood the concept, right? So, if you practice more problems like this, the day of the given date in less than 15 seconds. Hope you understood the structure, right? So, if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to pass it in comment section below. Like and share the video to your friends. Thanks a lot for watching.